So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Trading crypto. Indian authorities freeze more crypto funds over money laundering allegation. India's Directorate of Enforcement (ED) Financial Friday that is has frozen the financial accounts of a Bangalore-based financial service company Yellowstone Technologies, some of which were held by Flipboard Crypto Exchange, the Indian branch of Singaporean Vault. The move is linked to an ongoing investing money laundering by China linked instant loan companies. This is the second time this week the agency has taken action in the account of an Indian branch until the exchange can account for the criminal proceeds it transferred out of the country. India's Directorate of Enforcement (AD) announced on Friday that it has frozen the financial accounts of Bangalore-based financial services company Yellowstone Technologies, some of which were held by Philfold Crypto Exchange, the Indian branch of Singaporean Vault. The move is linked to an ongoing investigation into money laundering by China like the instant loan companies. This is the second time this week the agency has taken action in the crypto sphere in connection with that case. The financial watchdog announced it was freezing Yellowstone's bank balance, payment gateway balance, and balance in the Flipboard cryptocurrency exchange for a total of 3.7 billion rupees, or 46.4 million, after determining that the company was a sale entity incorporated by two Chinese nationals using pseudonyms. According to newspaper account, the AD spent 3 days searching premises associated with Yellowstones. The AD uncovered 23 entities that had deposited funds into Yellowstone's Flipboard vaults that were further transferred out of the country. The AD was sharply critical of Flipboard's handling of the funds. The agency said, like Sky signal your customer norms, with regulatory control of the allowing transfer to foreign wallets without asking any reason or declaration. Sky Sinon recording of transaction on blockchain the safeguards 8 has ensured that Flipboard is not able to give any account for the missing crypto asset. It has made no sincere effort to trace this crypto asset. Citing India's Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2022, the AD froze the fund in the Flipboard account equivalent to the sums it transferred from Yellowstone's wallet to foreign wallets to complete the fund. That is provided by the crypto exchange. The ED solidarity adores funds nothing but the process of the crime derived from predatory lending practice. The attachment of the fund is just the latest better news for followed. The Singaporean exchange account is staffed by 13% in June and halted withdrawals from its account at the beginning of July. Later that month, it sought protection from its creditor in Singapore. It was granted a 3-month moratorium. It is similar to US capital. Well, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you on next time.